Hello and welcome to Indian Notes Blog. My name is Karan Mathur and last week I got a chance to catch up with Mr. Jitendra Sharma, CEO of Okinawa Electric Two-Wheelers. And we got a chance to catch up with Okinawa's current strategy for the pandemic, their future plans for the company and what they have in store in terms of product lineup. But before we get to that interview, I'd like to request you all to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon in order to be notified about our upcoming videos. So without further ado, let's get to it. So my first question is, of course, the lockdown and the pandemic has been hard on everyone. So I just was hoping if you could expand further on your strategies post lockdown and how this production and sales have been affected.
Okay, sure. If you see after post-COVID, the best part is that, especially for the two-wheeler industry or EV two-wheeler industry, I think the situation is going back to the normal pre-COVID situation.
Right.
In terms of the business, in terms of the demand from the market, from our dealer side also. Because the reason behind that, because of this pandemic, the people are moving more towards their personal mobility rather for the public mobility. So this is one of the reasons people are going for their personal vehicle. And in that case, EV is the best choice because for the running cost is less as compared to the ICE engine. So this is one of the reasons people are moving towards that. Second thing is, of course, in India, if you see the overall population, many people are going on the cycles. So now they are upgrading to the two-wheelers. And for them, the choice for the electric two-wheeler, I think that is the best one as on for today's situation. So for that, Okinawa is already working on that strategy because the second part is that the festival season is already started. And especially for the automobile industry, I think most of the selling is done on this festival season, starting from, you can say, after Rakhi till maybe Diwali. So this 3 months is a good for sale of the automobile industry, whether it's two-wheeler or four-wheeler. And for that, we already have our production has come back to the normal pre-COVID situation. And for that, all the manpower has come back for the production. And we are self-sufficient to fill the volumes, whatever the demand comes from the market, from the consumer side or from our dealer side.
Okay. Sure, sir. Second question, sir. You've recently digitized your dealerships and also you're getting into e-commerce sales of your products. So in this regard, like how is your strategy going so far? Like, could you expand a little bit on it, on the digitization of your
for this,
products?
for this actually, what happened when during this COVID, because of the social distancing and the consumer wants the vehicle, but sometimes they hesitate to visit to the dealership also. And because of the lockdown situation, sometimes the dealerships are opening time is very not normal timing. Sometimes it's open, sometimes it's closed also.
Right.
For that, I think the online sale is the where the consumer can select their product, what is their demand, and they can book their product on the Okinawa website on the e-commerce site. And by this, we already have started one option also for our consumer. Our dealers are giving the home delivery to the consumer also, so that they can buy their product of their choice and they can get the delivery at their home also. So this is the option we are giving to our consumers. And I think this is going to be a big hit in this pandemic situation also, where the people are more habitual to buy online things, whether it's grocery or other things also. I think now the automobile is also going to sell in this situation. Yeah. So this is a good option which we are for the Okinawa also and for the consumer also.
Yeah. So you'll also be from scooters. You'll also be going towards electric motorcycles now, which will be the OK 100. So so for that motorcycle, could you tell us a bit more about it?
Yeah, actually till now, Okinawa for last 3 years, generally, if you see, we were in the scooter segment only. And our main focus is for the high speed scooters also. And but the demands come from the market because maybe youngsters, they want there should be a good motorcycle in the EV also, because they will get the same fun what they are getting in the ICE engine, but with the less cost for their running cost also. And for this, by getting this demand from the market, and we were already planning to going in this motorcycle segment. So this year we are going to launch this motorcycle, and this motorcycle will be high-speed motorcycle. Like some of the feature, like the speed will be around 100 to 120 kilometer per hour, and the range will be around 150 kilometers in single charge.
Okay.
And this you can compare with around 125 cc to 150 cc of IC engine motorcycle.
So with this motorcycle, do you see like your current customers going to the motorcycle, or this is for a new customer base altogether?
If you see, of course, there may be possibility that current customer also, but there is a very big chunk of the people, like the youngsters, who want the fun in the motorcycle. So this will be especially for the youngsters, because in this motorcycle there is a good speed as compared to the IC engine, and we will cater those youngsters more on the motorcycle segment.
Okay.
And the best part of this motorcycle, it will be like 100% Indian motorcycle. Like we will manufacturing everything in India.
Okay, perfect. Basically, you have your high-speed products, and then you have your slow-speed products, which are meant for more riding range and such. So, which one do you think is aimed at which customer base?
Actually, if you see, of course, the high-speed product is the product for the consumers who want to convert from IC engines to the electric vehicle, and they are looking for the performance vehicle. Because if we give the good performance vehicle, that only possible in the high-speed vehicle, because where the consumer is comparing their existing IC engine product with the good performance vehicle of EV, which have a high-speed vehicle only. And that vehicle, and for the same time, for the slow-speed vehicle, where the consumer, they don't have the range anxiety, they don't have the speed, they are not looking for the high speed. And those are for the youngsters, like youngsters, not maybe like the students who are going for the coaching classes, or the going for the schools, or mainly for the you can say a housewife who go for the grocery shop, or maybe buying vegetables, or the old people. So there is a different segment who go for the slow speed, and there is a different segment who want the high speed vehicles. And I think the main market for the future, I think, is going to be the high speed only.
So, like as you said, like there will be a lot of people who will be looking for last mile connectivity, and there'll be a lot of customers in rural and smaller cities looking for last mile connectivity. So, how are you expanding your dealership and such to cater to these customers which are looking forward to electric scooters for their last mile connectivity needs?
Connectivity, there is lots of the company, the aggregator who are working on the last mile connectivity. They are already using our Okinawa scooters for that purpose. Apart from this, like we already have the network of more than 300 dealerships pan India. So where we are already availability, our network is available not only in the urban area like in the metros, but they're already available in the B class and the C class cities also, where the people can get this vehicle in the rural area also, and they can enjoy the benefits of in terms of the economic for their ride per kilometer as compared to IC engine in their rural area also. So our network is already available on those part of India also.
Okay. That's perfect. So so you so basically Okinawa offers custom hand painted service for their scooters, right? And so what I wanted to know was, do these designs, are these designs what customers want, or is there a range of designs which you offer as custom hand painting for the scooters?
Okay, like as on today, we already have mentioned some of the designs on our website, where the consumer can select out of those designs and they can go for it. But by the same time, we can also go for, if there's special any customer need as per their design also, if they will provide their customization design to us, we can provide with that design also. That is also available with Okinawa.
Okay, that's awesome. So basically there was a boom in sales after the lockdown happened, and Okinawa themselves, you guys sold more than 1,000 units as soon as lockdown ended. So do you see this trend of e-bike sales continuing, or do you think this is currently just happening after pandemic and it will decline?
No, no, no. It's going, I think, continuously. And I think this graph is going to upside only, not the downside. As I already explained, the people are moving more towards their personal mobility. And because of the good product quality of Okinawa, that's why the people are moving, liking this product, and they are buying the product from our dealership.
Okay, okay, awesome. So finally, I'd like to ask. So for the younger customers who are looking to maybe buy an e-scooter or an e-bike as their first mode of transportation, what advice would you give to them, sir? What to look out for and how to purchase?
I think the best part for any consumer who wants to buy the EV is they just go for the quality and the cost. It means reasonable quality, good quality at a reasonable cost. And the second thing is they must look for the performance vehicle, because as of today, all the youngsters or the people who have from last so many years, they are riding the IC engine. So they understand how the IC engine behaves. But by the same time, when they are moving from IC engine to the electric vehicles, if this is a performance vehicle, then their selection is good. And they have the confidence on the EV vehicle. And that's why the high-speed vehicle is recommended for those people, because they have the good performance vehicle. And once they have got this confidence, I think this electrification of the automobile industry is possible. Is moving more faster, the conversion from IC to the electric vehicle. So third thing is the how to use the electric vehicle. That is very important for the consumer point of view. They must understand, because normally when there is a less awareness about the electric product, so people don't understand how to use the product, how to take care of this product. And that is very important for the consumer point of view and for the company side also. So that's why the training, once before buying this, they should understand, they should take the proper understanding from the dealership, how to use the vehicle, how to take care of the vehicle, especially for the battery, how to charge the battery, and how to do the service on the regular interval of time. Then the life of the vehicle will be more, and it will be the good choice for the consumer, and they will have good confidence on the electric vehicles.
All right, sir. So I guess that was all the questions I had, and I thank you again for joining me for this short conversation. Any last words that you have about what to look for from Okinawa in the future, and what are Okinawa's plans for 2021 and beyond?
Okay. So now these are three things which Okinawa is planning for the next financial year. One is, of course, we have discussed about Oki 100, that is a motorcycle segment which we are already coming. Second thing, we are already coming with our new facility where we will manufacturing good product, future product with the good technology and the innovation. And the third thing, Okinawa always believe for Make in India product or made for India. So that the localization of the product that will make for like vocal for local. That is the main tagline which Okinawa believes for our consumers, so that they have the good confidence about the quality of the product, and that we will try to fulfill what is their expectations from the EV two-wheeler segment, that Okinawa will fulfill their dreams about the electric two-wheeler.
All right. That's all I had, sir. Thank you for joining us again, and looking forward to all your products in the future. Thank you again.
Thank you.
So there you have it. That was a brief discussion with Mr. Jitendra Sharma, CEO of Okinawa Electric Two-Wheelers. And he discussed their current strategy for the pandemic, their future product lineup, and the future plans for the company. So if you like this type of video and have any suggestions for any new upcoming videos, or have any questions or queries, please hit us down in the comment section down below. So once again, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we request you to please do so. And if you like this video, please do hit the like button, and please hit the bell icon in order to be notified about our upcoming videos. So that was it for me. Hope to see you guys soon. This is Karan Mathur signing off and requesting you all to be safe.